The 80% rule, also known as the 4/5 rule, is a guideline used to detect potential adverse impact in employment decisions. Although Talon Track Solutions software automatically calculates this for you, it's important to understand how to calculate this manually. Let's apply this to a real-life scenario. An employment test was administered to a total of 100 applicants. A complaint has been raised alleging that the employment test unfairly discriminated against older applicants. Let's investigate this complaint together. For the purpose of this video, we will compare two groups. Applicants who are age 40 and above will be Group 1, and applicants who are under 40 will be Group 2. When the applicants are divided up into these groups, 76 applicants are in Group 1 and 24 in Group 2. Based on the results of the employment test, 26 applicants from Group 1 are hired while 12 are hired from Group 2. Next, we calculate the selection rate for each group. The selection rate is calculated by dividing the total selected by the total number of applicants. 26 divided by 76 is 0.342 or 34.2%. 12 divided by 24 is 0.50 or 50%. Now that we have the selection rate for each group, we will calculate the adverse impact ratio for Group 1. To do this, you will need to divide the selection rate of Group 1, which is 0.342, by the selection rate of Group 2, which is 0.50. This should give you an adverse impact ratio of 0.684 or 68.4%. If the adverse impact ratio falls below 80%, it may indicate possible discrimination that needs further review. 68.4% is less than 80%, which means the 80% rule has been violated in this scenario. The 80% rule is a simple way to check for potential adverse impact, however it has limitations, especially when it comes to sample size. In small sample sizes, even a few hires or rejections can drastically change the selection rate, which can make the rule unreliable. The 80% rule is a rough estimate and does not provide statistical proof of discrimination. We would calculate statistical measures such as Fisher's exact or chi-square to determine whether the results from the 80% rule are in fact true and not due to chance.